I'll be like, why can't I find those at My Home Goods? My Home Goods is dry like a chip. I just choose these alone for my centerpiece. What do you guys think? I'm really loving these. But
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. My name is Tamika. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, thrifting, and DIY. So if those are the stuff that you love to watch, please go ahead and press that subscribe button down below, and also press that notification bell so whenever time I upload, you'll be notified. So in today's video guys, I have some fall decor items that I want to show you that I picked up from my living room. I went to Hobby Lobby, Ross, Home Goods, and I also went to Joann's to pick up some fall decor items. So let's see what I picked up. So let me show you all the items that I picked up from Home Goods. But before I do so, I need to do a little ranting about Home Goods in my area. Now I've been watching some of my favorite YouTubers. They've been going out doing their shop with me at Home Goods, and they're doing their home decor all from Home Goods, and I'm so in love with the items. They be finding like RH dupes, Potter Barn dupes, coffee table books, gorgeous rugs and paintings. I'll be like, why can't I find those at My Home Goods? My Home Goods is dry like a chip, and I go to My Home Goods very often. Sometimes I go daily just to see that as soon as they're putting out their items, I could see what they have. And I've never ever seen any of those items on My Home Goods shelf. But with all that ranting, let's see what I picked up from Home Goods. So I picked up these pillows for my sofa. I really love the color. I'm trying to go for this mustard yellow color. That's the theme that I'm going for in my living room for fall. And I really love this pillow. Normally I don't like tassels on stuff, but for some reason I really love these tassels on the ends. Now it is not choppable, but I have a solution for that. I purchased some feather fill inserts. I think I purchased the 18 by 18 and also the 20 by 20 feather fill inserts from Amazon. So this has a zip, so I could definitely pull this insert out and put the feather fill ones that I picked up from Amazon, and now it becomes choppable. Those feather fills are perfect for stuff like this. So that's all, and I picked up 2 of these. I definitely got 2 for my sofa. Now moving along to the other items that I picked up, which I love. It is this beautiful army green throw. I bought it for my bedroom. Most of my bedding in my bedroom is white, so this will go perfect with that white bedding. I didn't want to do too much, so I just got this nice throw. Just give me a touch of fall in the bedroom, and that's what I love, and I'm so in love with it. It was $24.99. The next item that I picked up from Home Goods is this beautiful candle right here. It smells so good. It's in like a orange. The reason why I purchased it too is because of the color. It's like a orangey brown, like an orangey color. I love the color, and I also love the scent. I think I bought something similar to this last fall. It's like a pumpkin vanilla smell to it, and I love this scent. So, and it was only $7. I really love this one. And that was it guys. I did not pick up too much stuff from Home Goods, so that's it. I'm trying to stay in a certain budget for this fall because I'm only doing my living room. So yeah, so that's all I got from Home Goods. So I went into Joann's to get some fabric, and I saw these wood chip pumpkins. Now these are so beautiful. Now they look like they're made in the shape of a pumpkin, but they're made out of wood chip. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. And I picked them up also in this smaller size as well. Now if you have like if you're going for like a neutral vibe, then these will go perfect for your decor, and you don't want to do like actual pumpkin. These will go perfect for that decor. But I'm so in love with these. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. So I got those are all the stuff that I picked up from Joann's. I also went into Hobby Lobby. I went into Hobby Lobby because I want to do like a centerpiece for my coffee table, or maybe a centerpiece for my entryway table. I'm not sure yet. So I picked up more than enough floral arrangements. So just in case I want to do one or both, I have choices. So I went ahead and I picked up these pampas grass. It is in this burnt orange burnt brown orange. It looked brownish, but then at some point it looked orange. I'm so in love with this color. I might just able to just put these alone on my, because I don't want to do too much. So I think this alone will just go perfect on my entryway table or in the center of my coffee table. This will look so perfect in like a vase. I might do just these by itself. Now that I'm looking at it in the camera, I'm so in love with this. But these were a little pricey. They were $19.99 each original price, but at Hobby Lobby they had like 40% off on all fall decor items. I really love these two pieces. It's so gorgeous. So I might just choose these alone for my centerpiece. What do you guys think? I'm really loving these. I also picked these up as well. So it was just like this simple feel. I didn't want too much. So I picked these up, and these were like $4 each, and I picked up 3. These are gorgeous. I love these. So these are the pampas. Those are definitely I'm gonna use them. These could definitely go by themselves. They're like pom-poms. So I might, like, even this right here will just go nice into like a vase by itself. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might do this. They're so beautiful though. I love them. All the pieces that I show you, I'm so in love with. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna do these by themselves, because I cannot put these together. I don't think so, but I'll figure it out, and I'll definitely show you in my next video how I decorate my living room for fall. So let's see what I did. Okay, all right, so that's that. I did pick up these, but I'm definitely gonna bring them back. I don't know why I picked them up. Honestly, I didn't even want to show you guys, because I'm like, I'm gonna bring these back. I don't know why I bought them, because they don't make no sense. But these were $4.99 each, so I'll definitely bring in these. But I picked up these 3 small pumpkin. They're made out of weave, like basket weaves. So I got these, and I'm they're so cute. Like, they have the burnt orange, they have the brown, and they have the cream color, and they're so gorgeous. So I'm definitely gonna put this maybe in a tray on my coffee table, and I'm so in love with these. So, and these were like maybe, was it $10 or I really don't remember, but these were also on 40% off as well. Now, this is not part of the fall decor, but I had to show you guys because I'm always wanting a tray. I always wanted a tray. Yes, I could purchase it on Amazon, but you know, some items that you just don't want to purchase online, you want to see for yourself. It's a perfect size for my coffee table, and I love the color. It's like a black and gray and white, which is a theme of my living room, and the size is perfect, and it's round. And this was $34.99, but it's a table decor, and table decor was on 50% off, so I think I paid $17.50 for this. So I'm so happy that I found these. This is one of my best find in Hobby Lobby from this haul. So I love that. That is all I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So I did pick up some items from Ross as well, and I love the colors and everything, but I think I'm gonna stick with the Home Goods pillows, as I did pick up some from Ross as well, but I'm definitely gonna keep the ones from Home Goods. So let me show you the items that I picked up from Ross first, and then I'll decide which one I'm gonna keep or bring back. So the first thing I got there was this plush throw, and I'm so in love with it. It's so soft. It is perfect. This is a perfect feel, perfect color for fall. Now I'm just gonna take it and throw it over my sofa. it's not for warming purposes because it's thin. It is for more of a decor purposes, honestly, because this is not as thick. It was only $12, so you can just imagine that it's a thin blanket, but I really love it, and I love the color. It matches the decor that I'm going for, so I picked this up. So yeah, I got this from Ross, and I also picked up 2 sets of pillows, but I'm definitely gonna bring these back. So I got this one, which is a lumbar type. I really love it, but I literally picked it up because of the color, because I was wanting to see how it goes with my sofa, but it didn't go well, so I'm definitely going to take this back. And also Damien say these look like grandma cushions, so I was like, you know what, I ain't got time for him, so I'm like, I'm definitely going to bring these back. It's maybe because of the velvet look that it has on the back, but I love the front. The front is nice, so I think that that's why he says it's a grandma cushion, but that's fine. I really love it, but I definitely picked it up because of the color. I wanted to see if it would go well with my sofa, but it did not, so I'm definitely bringing this back. But I really love it, and it's soft. It is so soft. But yeah, I'm gonna bring that back. And I also got it in the yellow, and this one he definitely don't like, but I'm definitely gonna bring this back because I purchased this first before I went to Home Goods, and I prefer the Home Goods pillow over this one, so I'm definitely gonna bring this back. It has the same concept as the other one that I just showed you. It has the velvet on the back, and then it has like a nice pattern on the front right here. And I picked up this pillar candles, and I love the colors. I just picked them up just for decor. I'm not gonna burn them. I'm just gonna put them on my entryway table on my candle holders. So I love the color on this. I definitely will be keeping these, and these were $5 each, so I really love these. And I also picked up this brown burnt orange type of candle from Ross as well, and I'm so in love with the color. You're able to see the color, and it was only $7. This scent right here is so good. It is the pumpkin and vanilla. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna burn this one. Oh, this smells so good. So yeah, that's all I picked up from Ross. I really didn't do a lot of shopping because I'm only going to decorate my living room. Okay guys, so that's all the items that I picked up for fall, and I hope you love all the items that I showed you. Now I'll be definitely showing you in my next video how I decorate my living room for fall. I cannot wait to show you guys. Now for my centerpiece, for my coffee table or my entryway table, I'm not sure if I'm going to do both or just do one, but you will definitely see that in my next video of how I put those pieces together. So stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button, and also press that notification bell so whenever time I upload, you will be notified. So thank you so much guys for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Love you all. Happy fall.